Hello, I'm Tom Harris, Application Specialist for Loctite Construction Adhesives. We've partnered with DPI, Decorative Panels International, and I'm here to provide best practices for proper panel installation using Loctite Power Grab. Today we'll be reviewing 3 installation methods using DPI stone and brick, wood grain, and embossed tile panels. Prior to installation, be sure to check panels for color matching and quality. Put panels in the room where they'll be installed and allow them to sit overnight so all sides are exposed to the air. Any wood-based panels, expansion and contraction must be considered. 1/4 inch and 3/16 panels can be applied to studs, furring strips, or solid walls. Use a vapor barrier for exterior walls or below-grade applications prior to installing panels. Cut panels face up with a fine-tooth handsaw, face down with a fine-tooth portable jigsaw or circular saw. Allow a 1/16 inch gap between the panels along the 8-foot edge. Allow an 1/8 inch gap at the top and the bottom of the panel. Before installation, dry fit panels to ensure proper fit. DPI recommends Loctite Power Grab all-purpose adhesive. Remove red cap. Cut nozzle to the 1/4 inch thickness mark. Prepare cartridge and caulking gun. When installing panels on open studs or furring strips, apply Power Grab directly to the surface. Thanks to Loctite's Instant Grab technology, no nailing or bracing is required. For peg panels, DPI recommends adhesive combined with drywall screws for added strength. For embossed tile installation, use a 1/8 inch V-notch trowel. To seal between panels, DPI recommends Loctite 2-in-1 Premium for sealant specifically designed to match DPI panels. For best results, wait 24 hours after installation before sealing. By following the tips and methods discussed today, your panels will appear professionally installed with a low-cost solution for a high-end look.